Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about changing the audio output on your Samsung smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your phone, if it's not already turned on, and then swipe up, select the setting gear icon, and then you want to go and select the apps button that appears underneath settings. So go ahead and select apps and then scroll to the bottom where it says special app access and open that up. And then you want to select where it says change media output. Select that. And then you can go ahead and select a different output if one is available. You have to already have it synced up, and that's a different tutorial altogether. But if you just want to go ahead and change it through here, it's just a very easy process if it's already set up on your phone. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, if you want to change the output for a paired Bluetooth device, for example. So like I said, pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.